Alright guys, Paul here again with another video. I've just had my UDR out. It's pretty heavily modified. I've done a lot of upgrades to it. Like, you can see the GPM arms, it's got the GPM rear ones, hardened diffs. Pretty much every upgrade you can do to make this car solid. And with having them all, it's really tough as nails now. Had a lot of problems when I first got the UDR, but now it's just running absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so you hoverfly there. Pretty cool, but yeah, it's going amazing. Obviously I've got the light kit and things as well, so this run is the last naked run. I've got my new body, I'm going to get that sprayed tonight, so next time you see the car I think it's going to look pretty impressive and a little bit different too, so looking forward to that. But this whole run's been on 4S, car run amazing, never missed a beat. Also it got attacked by a dog, which I hope I've got the footage. If I've got the dog attacking it footage, I'll put that up, but it's literally trying to pick it up by the rear tyre till the owner got it. I know the guy, so it wasn't a big deal, but no damage done to the car. It was pretty funny, but yeah, please enjoy the video. If you do, like and subscribe, and as usual I'll get as many videos out as I can, guys, so catch you later, bye.